Okay, this video I'm going to demonstrate just how I paint portraits using acrylics. Once I've got the drawing finished, certainly the one in pencil, I'll go over it with an acrylic pen. Now I use these pens quite a lot. You actually buy them empty, which means you can control the colour and the quality of paint in the pen. I use these golden high flow acrylics. They're just the right consistency for these pens. When you're drawing and you're painting, it's so easy to lose all your pencil drawing. So that's one of the main reasons why I go over an acrylic pen. And I should just mention I'm using just the three colours here. There's bone black, titanium white and a transparent red iron oxide. Right, I'll start the painting by blocking in the whole figure with just various shades of grey at this time. This is basically building a foundation for the rest of the painting. So there's no need to focus on any colour. It's mainly a black and white painting. So I find this quite relaxing actually. Now, I'm always conscious of working very quickly when I'm using acrylics, obviously because of the fast drying time. Not just on the canvas, but you know, when you've mixed your paints on your palette, they do tend to dry out fairly quickly. A quick spray of water can prolong the drying time. However, you have to keep an eye on your paint consistency. The use of pure black and pure white here, it really does make the features sort of pop and stand out, which is what we want for this portrait. Right, now I've primed my canvas with a mix of light grey and yellow ochre, but I really want this white shirt to stand out, so I've decided to add some darker greys to the background. You'll find, you'll see in most of my paintings, I do tend to use my hands and my fingers quite a lot with the painting. I think this is from my days when I used to paint in pastels, where you do tend to do a lot of blending and that with your fingers. It's just a habit. Sometimes I don't even know I'm doing it, to be honest. The only exception is I won't do it with cadmium colours because they are quite toxic. I'm adding more loose brushwork here, and this is where I'll start to use one of my favourite brushes, the rigger. These brushes are great for loose brushwork and splashes. Now, some of my past students have found it difficult using these rigger brushes, but I think it just comes down to mixing the right consistency of paint. Now here I'm adding a glaze using the transparent red iron oxide. It basically means you can change the colour or enrich part of a painting that's looking a little tired and dull. And the beauty of transparent glazes is you do this without completely covering your painting underneath. Okay, right, we're coming close to the finishing here. Just adding a few more details. Now, overall this painting has probably taken around 7 hours from start to finish. You know, I just might start using the timer for future videos, just to show how long certain parts of a painting actually take. So yeah, let me know what you think about that. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Please do let me know if you have any questions. Now, if you could subscribe, it would help to support and grow this channel. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.